Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel here at Tech Imaginations. I'm Susan Vincentz, and I'm so excited to be recording another video. And in today's video, we're going to review and talk about a couple of the new Smart Chip features in Google Docs. So a few videos ago, we talked about the new Smart Chips features that recently rolled out with Google Docs. So the link to that video is going to be in the description below, so look for that. And if you remember, the Smart Chips features allows you to type the @ symbol within a Google Doc and then receive several shortcut features just to increase your efficiency and productivity as you create a doc for whatever purpose you're doing. So in this tutorial, I want to show you two more new features that have popped up under that menu. And it is drop-down menus and email templates or email drafts. So come with me over to Google Docs and we will look at email drafts and drop-down menus. So here we are in a Google Doc, blank screen, blank slate, and I'm going to come up here and I want to make an email template. You know, you probably have those email formats or form letters that you send out to parents quite often, colleagues, or if you're in the business world, you send the same type of formatted email to clients saying the same thing but to different people. So let's look at how to get an email draft to save in your Google Docs for use sporadically as you need it. So as we said with the Smart Chips, to get that Smart Chip menu, I'm going to press the @ symbol, Shift, and the number 2. And then I'm going to scroll down here, and one of the first choices that you get is email draft. Okay, so I'll click the @ symbol, and I'm going to choose email draft, and it'll come up with what looks like an email. Now, right now, I'm not going to type anything in the to box because I don't know who I'm going to send it to yet, but I will type the subject. So let's say this is a homework reminder. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we're going to type the message to the parent. Hello, Mrs. or Mr. so-and-so. I am writing to let you know that your child, and it could be the name that you will fill in there, has not turned in their math homework this week. Please have them submit it by Friday for full credit. So then you type your message, and then what you're going to do in order to get it over to Gmail, you're just going to click the Gmail icon. Notice it says preview in Gmail, and it'll take a moment to save. So I'm going to go ahead and close that window for now and come on over here. And what it'll do, it will save in your drafts. So when you come over to your Gmail, you can come over to your drafts and your message will be there. Then you can fill in the to box, the CC box, whatever else you need to do. So it's that quick and easy. And then you're able to title your document here, and you have that email template saved for future needs. So all you have to do is, maybe you have a folder full of templates, go to that folder of templates, find your homework reminder email template, click that Gmail icon, and go over and send it to the person that you want to send it to. So again, that's in the Smart Chip menu of Google Docs. So I'm going to just hit enter a few times, and now we're going to look at the drop-down menus. So say you're working with a team on a project and you're sharing it and you're making changes, but maybe you need to put in a section in that Google Doc and ask for the status of that document. Or you might simply be working on a choice board for your students and you want them to mark which choice they're doing. Or you might need to simply put a formative assessment type question in here for them to quickly answer on the Google Doc, almost like you would on a Google form. So there's several different uses for these drop-down menus in Google Doc, in a Google Doc. So again, I'm going to press that Smart Chip menu, which is the @ symbol. I may need to scroll up. The drop-down menu is pretty far down the menu list, so I'm going to scroll down, keep scrolling. You'll think you're not going to find it, but it's all the way down there. So I'm going to hit drop down, and then you can either do a new drop-down menu, or you can do a project status or a review status. So let's click the project status one. So maybe you need your people to choose one of these, and you can add and edit the options. You can make it say anything you want to. You might want to say, you know, incomplete, or you might need to do percentages. You can add more options. You can use the trash cans to delete options. You can even drag and drop them into different orders. Okay, so again, the way I got this was the @ symbol, and again I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Smart Chip menu, hit drop down, and I might want to do a new drop down, and I might want to just ask a question. So let's just do something really simple here. What color is the sky? And we might put blue. Red. Green. And you can do as many options as you want. You can even make them different colors here. And then you can save. And then you have your drop down menu. And then you might want to say up here, but above it, what color is the sky, or whatever simple question, and they can choose whatever is the correct answer. Or it could just be a social emotional. How are you feeling today? Happy, sad, you know, blue for sad, green for happy, or red for mad, or something like that. So again, there are so many features under that Smart Chip menu. If I just simply click that @ symbol, there are so many things under here, and I do have more videos coming your way talking about what all of this Smart Chip menu entails. Well, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you learned something that you can find useful or help make your workflow a little more productive and efficient as you go forward with Google Docs. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons below, or the notification bell, so you know when I put out a new video. And, you know, use them for your tech learning needs. Use, share, find something useful. I hope you have a great day. Be blessed, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.